So, good morning everyone. Gigit Kakanay from SIT 3D. So, ang gagawin natin today is case study number 1. Vulnerabilities on Arturo Mutual. Ang objective natin is students will learn how SQL injection works by attempting to exploit vulnerabilities on Arturo Mutual website. The goal is to understand security flows and how to prevent them. So for safety warning, this study is for educational purposes only. So huwag niyong gagayahin. Kasi for educational purposes only siya. Do not use these techniques on unauthorized websites. Always follow ethical hacks. So, dapat maging computing estudyante tayo. Hindi tayo mga unauthorized websites. Against the privacy pa rin. So, natin Arturo Mutual. So, makikita nyo hindi siya secure. So, try na natin. Ito. 4, 1 equals to 1. Aim. So, nabaan. So, makikita nyo naman. Pasok na tayo dito sa may Arturo Mutual. So, kita nyo naman, nakita na natin. And, post na tayo dyan. So, for prerequisites, basic understanding SQL is familiarity with web application and login forms, a legal and authorized testing environment. So, nakita niyo naman na nakapasok na tayo dito sa Arturo Mutual. So, let's end this video na. So, again, for safety warning, this study is for educational purposes only. Na huwag niyong gagayahin. So, yun. Goodbye and thank you.